Breakthrough Social has done a really good job in quantifying our results. They're driving traffic to our stores. We look at reporting. They send it to us on a daily basis. We see how many people are viewing our videos, how many people are clicking through the call to actions. And I think the most quantifiable campaign that we've launched is our franchise. And really, the video content was purely to generate leads. The lead goes to our VP of franchising, and he closes the sale. And before we even launched the campaign, we sat there and talked about what our goals were, and the goals were to generate 100 to 200 leads per month, which we are consistently doing at a really, really low rate. So we can exactly quantify how much money that we're spending on Facebook, how much each lead actually cost, and we can even project out what our sales will be for the rest of the year. Or even if we want to double our leads or triple our leads or really scale up, we can start to think about that now. It's really important and really crucial for a startup business where you're getting consistent results. Every day, every week, you can generate leads, and based on industry standard is about 1% to 2% of franchise leads, right? So for every 100 leads that come in, if you have a decent sales team, they should be able to close at least 1 to 2 sales. So based on those metrics, we can consistently generate leads daily and weekly, and we can kind of project out what our sales will be for the rest of the year. So we can kind of control our growth, and it's not only good for our company, but it's good for our future franchisees, investors, or anybody that's interested in the business. We are creating a model that's scalable and somewhat predictable.